Brooks, stop it. Let's see what he's barking at. Casey's very interested in our neighbors. So we can zoom in on see the mom deer. Brooks keeps barking just because you like to bark. I don't know if you can make it out. There's a real little baby fawn next to the right of the mom. Now she's moving. You can probably see her. In case she's not barking, she's just very interested.
Baby deer is interested in them.
Yeah. See the baby deer and Casey just staring each other down. And there's a big boy guarding the gate. Hi, big boy. Oh, you brought me a present. Wow, look at that, a football. Wow, thank you so much. You want to go show the deer your new football? Sit. Sit. Good, sit. T-Rex? Come on, T-Rex. Oh, good T-Rex. Go get the ball. Go get it.
Brooks, come here.
Brooks? Did he give you a football? Let me see a football. Ugh. Want me to distract them?
Yeah.
Brooks, sit down, Brooks. Sit. T-Rex, Brooks, come on. Let me see T-Rex. Come on. Come on, T-Rex, up. Come on, up. Good boy. Oh, almost caught it. Can't see the baby, she's hiding behind the mom.
Brooks, come here.
Prancing over there, barking with the ball in his mouth. Real tough guy here. Real tough guy.
Mm-hmm.